Hey everyone, this is the solution video for logs day 6, our homework from Monday. So for this section, you were supposed to be evaluating each expression using a calculator and then rounding to the nearest thousandth. And remember, thousandth is 3 decimal places. So this is mostly using your calculator and using that change of base formula. So if you need help figuring out how to plug these into your calculator, make sure you check back to the logs day 3 video that goes over how to use the calculator. So I'm just going to be giving you guys the answers here and talking about how you should plug it into your calculator, but I'm not going to show you the actual plugging into the calculator. So for some of these, you can just type them straight into your calculator because there is no base. Like for this one, it's just a natural log of 7. So we can just type that right into our calculator. The only time we have to use the change of base formula is like for question number 2 when it has a different base down here. So for natural log, there's no base written, so we can just plug that right into our calculator. And then when we round it, we get 1.946 should be our answer for that one. So I just plugged that directly into my calculator because I don't have to use the change of base formula because it doesn't have a different base here. So now for question number 2, it does have a different base, so you have to use that change of base formula. So remember, when we do change of base, the base goes in the basement or the bottom of the fraction. So we have log 8 on top, and then we have log 3 on the bottom. So then you're just going to type that into your calculator. Make sure you're closing your parentheses when you're doing log 8 divided by log 3, because if you don't put in parentheses there, it's going to give you the wrong answer. So for this one, we should get 1.893. And there's our answer for that. So in your calculator, it pops up automatically with a parenthesis here. So you need to make sure you close it before you type in divided by log 3. So make sure that the 8 is in parentheses, but that you're closing the parenthesis there. Okay. And then for question number 3, again, same thing. We are doing the 2 goes on top, the bigger number is on top. This 9 also kind of looks like it's lower, so that should also give you a hint that's the number that's going to be going in the bottom. So we're just doing log of 2 divided by log of 9. So again, make sure you're closing those parentheses, and we should get 0.315 for our answer for number 3. Okay, and then for question number 4, again, this is one that you can just plug into your calculator. Make sure you are not rounding until the very, very end. Okay, so you can actually just type this into your calculator in one line, or you can find each one individually, but make sure that you are not rounding until the very, very end. And make sure that you are putting parentheses and you're closing those parentheses around when you're typing it in. So this one, I'm just gonna type it straight into my calculator. Log of 4 plus log of 25, and I get 2. Okay, and that's it for Monday's homework.